Hi, my name is Mark Herring. I'm going to show you how you can use ITSM-Bridge to migrate foundation data from BMC Remedy into ServiceNow. Okay, so first of all you need to download the ITSM-Bridge Remedy Migrator application from the ServiceNow store, and then you can launch the ITSM-Bridge client to bring up a screen looking like this. Right, so the next thing I need to do is to select the migration template that I need to migrate the data out of Remedy into ServiceNow. And to do that I go to File, New, Project from Template, Remedy to ServiceNow, Foundation. So after selecting the foundation I get this screen coming up. So I need to enter the name of the project and then the details for connecting to both the source Remedy server and the target ServiceNow instance. So just basically the credentials for the login. Needs to be an administrator login into BMC Remedy, and then into ServiceNow the URL and the username password for the user with the correct privileges for running the migration. I'm going to click on Open to open up the project. Once the project opens up, we can go to Project View Mappings List. I can now see a list of all of the mappings from the source forms in Remedy into the target tables in ServiceNow. So for this particular migration template you can see we have mappings for the company data, the sites, the departments, support groups, cost centers, the people or the users, and then we have additional mappings for user roles and the group membership, and finally for the model categories and the product models. So from this list now I can either disable any of the mappings that I don't want, or I can add new mappings using the new button down here, add the source and the target tables. And also I can drill down into any of these existing mappings to look at the details. So for example the company mapping, I can drill down, look into the field level mappings and modify those if I need to as well. Or if I want to, I can also go into the source filtering to control which records within that mapping that I want to include or exclude. So now I'm ready to run the migration itself. I'll just go up here to Project, Execute, and then enter any values for runtime variables that I've defined here. Look at the migration options, so I can change these if I need to, or I can just leave the default values, and then I just go to the execute option, confirm, and then continue, and then we see the migration window coming up here with the details of the migration steps. So first of all it goes through some initial validation, checks all the mappings are okay, and then if everything looks good it continues on with the migration steps. So as it's running through the migration here you can see it gives a running commentary of the number of records for each mapping that get created or updated and any errors that get picked up, and you can then cross-check those against the log or the migration reports that you can run at the end of the migration. So there we can see the migration is completed successfully and all the data is now being migrated onto my ServiceNow instance. So that completes the demonstration today. Please use the contact details on the screen here if you need any further information. Thanks very much for watching.